Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll guide our trusty robot to deliver a newspaper to a house with stairs. Using computational thinking approach, we'll break the task into smaller steps, create a logical plan for the robot's movements, and design efficient instructions to ensure success. Starting from the street, the robot will climb up 4 steps to reach the front door, drop the newspaper on the top step, and then return to its starting point by climbing down 4 steps. Let's use this problem-solving approach to help our robot complete its mission smoothly. Alright, let's get started with the first step of our computational thinking approach, problem analysis. Here, we'll look closely at what we're trying to achieve and the details of the setup. Here's what we know about our newspaper delivery problem. We have a fixed 10 by 10 robot world. Our robot starts at Avenue 1, Street 1 facing east. The goal is to deliver a newspaper by climbing up 4 stairs to reach the door. Each stair requires 2 horizontal movements. After completing the delivery, the robot will turn around and climb down 4 stairs to return to its starting position, ending at Avenue 1, Street 1 facing west. With these requirements clear, we're now ready to move into the decomposition phase, where we'll break down the problem into specific steps and functions. This problem can be divided into 6 sub-problems for easier execution. First, the robot needs to go to the base of the stairs by making a horizontal movement. Next, it climbs up the stairs, completing a structured sequence for each step. Once at the top, the robot delivers the newspaper by dropping a beeper. Then, the robot turns around to face the stairs again. After that, it climbs down the stairs, reversing the sequence used for climbing up. Finally, the robot moves horizontally to return to its initial position, completing the task. How does the robot reach the base of the stairs? Starting at Avenue 1, Street 1, the robot needs to make a single horizontal movement forward to position itself at the base of the first stair. With this simple step completed, the robot is now ready to begin its ascent to the front door. To deliver the newspaper, the robot must climb up 4 stairs. But how does the robot climb a single stair? First, it turns to the left to face the stair's vertical side, then moves forward 1 step to reach the height of the stair. Next, it turns to the right, facing the horizontal edge, and moves forward twice to position itself securely on the stair. By repeating this process 4 times, the robot successfully climbs all the stairs, reaching the front door where the newspaper is to be delivered. Once at the top of the stairs, the robot positions itself at the designated spot in front of the door. It then drops the beeper, symbolizing the delivery of the newspaper, ensuring that the task is completed successfully before preparing to return. Once the robot has successfully delivered the newspaper, it needs to prepare for its descent. To do this, the robot must turn around to face the direction it came from. This is achieved by turning left 2 times, effectively reversing its orientation. Now the robot is ready to begin its journey back down the stairs. After turning around, the robot must descend the 4 stairs to return to ground level. But how does the robot climb down a single stair? First, it moves forward 2 steps along the horizontal edge to align with the stair's vertical side. Then, it turns to the left to face downward and moves forward 1 step to descend to the lower level. Finally, it turns to the right to face the horizontal edge once more. Repeating this process for each of the 4 stairs ensures the robot safely climbs down and returns to the ground. Finally, the robot must return to its starting position at Avenue 1, Street 1 facing west. After descending the stairs, the robot makes a single forward movement to reach its original position at the base of the stairs. With this step completed, the robot has successfully finished the newspaper delivery and returned to its initial point, ready for its next task. Now that we've designed our algorithm, it's time to implement it and bring our robot to action. The program begins by importing the necessary library, CS1 Robots, which provides the tools required to create a robot and interact with a predefined grid world. The load_world function is then used to load a specific world, newspaper.wld, which is a 10 by 10 grid featuring stairs and a designated location for delivering a newspaper. This setup establishes the environment where the robot will operate. A new robot instance, named Hubo, is created with one beeper, representing the newspaper that the robot must deliver. For visualization purposes, a blue trace is set, which marks the robot's path, helping users follow its journey visually. To facilitate navigation, the program defines helper functions for specific tasks. The turn_right function enables the robot to turn right by making 3 left turns, a workaround since the robot library supports only left turns. Similarly, the turn_around function allows the robot to make a 180-degree turn by performing 2 consecutive left turns. These foundational functions ensure the robot can orient itself effectively while climbing or descending stairs and navigating the grid. The task of climbing stairs is decomposed into manageable steps. The climb_up_1_stair function describes how the robot climbs a single step by turning left to face upward, moving vertically, turning right, and moving horizontally twice to complete the step. To descend a stair, the climb_down_1_stair function instructs the robot to move forward horizontally twice, turn left to face downward, move vertically, and then turn right to align itself with the next step. These functions break down the stair climbing and descending processes into consistent, repeatable actions. Building on these single-step functions, climb_up_the_stairs and climb_down_the_stairs use loops to repeat the respective single-step functions 4 times, enabling the robot to navigate all 4 stairs in sequence. This modular approach simplifies the implementation of complex movements while maintaining clarity and reusability. The program then transitions to the main task. The robot starts by moving 1 step forward to reach the base of the stairs. Using climb_up_the_stairs, the robot climbs all 4 stairs and arrives at the designated drop point. Here, it drops the beeper to complete the newspaper delivery. The robot then uses turn_around to face the stairs again and prepares to descend. By calling climb_down_the_stairs, it carefully descends all 4 steps. Finally, the robot moves forward once to return to its initial position at the base of the stairs, completing the task. This structured flow from initialization to task execution demonstrates computational thinking, where the problem is broken into smaller, manageable steps, ensuring precision and clarity throughout the process. Alright, that's a wrap for today. I hope you found this video helpful and got some new insights. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on future content. And hey, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Let me know what topics you'd like to see next or any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.